After a sharp turn onto a gravel road, you'll soon be at the High Shoals Falls trailhead. Come along as we go exploring.
This is really cool. As soon as you step on the trail, look at this old wise tree. Still hanging in there. Just barely, but it's hanging in. Nice descent, big beautiful trees, easy to follow path. And so we've just been going down and down and down, so this will be a fun hike up, but if you go chasing waterfalls, you're chasing ascents or descents. These roots are actually worn down from people hiking over them. Thank you for letting us pass, beautiful tree. Whoa. This is awesome. So after that initial descent, we are now walking along a really nice ridgeline trail. It is not too steep, so it's not like perilous or scary or anything. It's actually really nice. You're just really high up. Got a real commanding, sweeping view of the magical forest. It is a magical forest. And look, I don't know if we could hear it on the microphone yet. We have named the DJI mic 2. It has a name. Its name is Fuzzy Wuzzy. I don't mind telling everybody. We named our microphone Fuzzy Wuzzy. I haven't even got to the waterfall yet, and I'm already just like stopped in my tracks speechless. Look at this. It's beautiful. Reasonably busy. We passed like 4 people on the trail so far. There should be a few more coming behind us. There's some people parking as we were heading down. All right. This is the first I've seen of it, but apparently there is a green blaze. This is the first I've seen, and there's really no other trail to follow. I mean, if you took that side quest, then you knew you were getting off the trail. So
The stats for the High Shoals Fall Trail are 2.5 miles round trip, rated moderate, with an elevation gain of around 500 feet, and it's an out and back style trail that takes about an hour and a half to complete, depending on how much time you spend.
it is really beautiful, and we haven't even made it to the main part yet, and wow, it's just so pretty. And after that lovely view, it's just right back on the path. Here we go. This trail is really wide. I think that's one thing worth noting. It's a very wide trail. The trail does a really good job of routing through the forest and along ridges and alongside this big creek. Not every trail does this so well, but it's building anticipation. It's doing a really good job of keeping the trail pretty and interesting while building anticipation. It's like a movie. There's something about that rushing whitewater sound that I find to be just so soothing and hypnotic. I feel like it just refreshes you.
Mistakes were made. You're about to watch me accidentally go down what is the wrong trail, and not only do I go down the wrong trail here, I actually have a nice slip and fall, which I caught on camera, so you'll get to watch that. The actual trail is located just a little bit down, and there's a viewing platform, so don't make the same mistake I did. I should also point out we're slightly above Blue Hole Falls, so you'll want to keep going down the trail to the actual viewing platform. And it's about this rock where you'll see the turnoff to see the viewing platform.
like I've said before, I get lost, so you don't have to. Much nicer too, by the way. Much easier way to access the viewing platform. And we're back to the path that we accidentally left. I say we, I accidentally left prematurely. So yeah, you definitely want the easy way. In my defense, it looks like a path, okay? It very much looks like a path. I know it's like trail hopscotch. That staircase rocks. Sometimes Mrs. Tazumi thinks she gets to watch me like stumble or trip, but what I'm actually doing is recalculating my steps so fast in real time that it looks like I'm tripping or falling.
And here we are. Welcome to High Shoals Falls. I'm just going to be quiet and let everybody enjoy the beauty. Thanks again for watching.